I hope they find out if there is a correlation, and if there is, what we can do to make this community a safe place to live.
Health officials in Pike County are taking a closer look at what might be causing so many people there to get cancer. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us tonight for NBC4 at 6. I'm Colleen Marshall.
I'm Mark Taylor. This comes a month after a local middle school was closed due to independent testing that found enriched uranium in the building. Government testing also revealing other possibly dangerous elements found nearby.
NBC4's Dan Perlman has more on what is currently underway.
State records show Pike County has the second highest cancer rate in Ohio. So now, with fears of widespread radiological contamination, a study is taking a look at what may be the cause of that. In her family,
This is my Aunt Dot, who died of cancer.
Cancer
My Aunt Pat, that lived on Bailey Chapel, she died of cancer.
is extremely prevalent.
I was diagnosed with breast cancer at the age of 46.
Tammy Teeters tells me at least 24 in her family have or had cancer. That is why she's filling out form after form on her phone, part of this study.
I think it's very important we do a study to find out what's going on in this area and what's causing such a high rate of cancer.
The study, organized by the Pike County General Health District, calls on those who live or lived within 10 miles of the Portsmouth gaseous diffusion plant, or those with relatives who did and had cancer, to fill out this form. The purpose, to determine if there's a connection between the plant and the cancer rate. The plant, now an environmental cleanup site, is under fire, with tests revealing enriched uranium in a nearby school and other radioactive elements nearby. The Department of Energy has said those elements are below the established threshold of public health concern, but health leaders want to look at this closely. The health commissioner telling me he hopes the Centers for Disease Control will help with the study, adding in a statement, and I quote, "Not looking into a potential cancer cluster is not an option for us, even if that means doing the legwork locally." And those who are local approve.
I was very excited when I found out they were going to do a study.
They just hope it brings results.
I hope they find out if there is a correlation, and if there is, what we can do to make this community a safe place to live.
And if you would like to participate in this study, I posted the link where you can do so on our website. That's NBC4i.com. Local for you in Pike County, Dan Perlman, NBC4.